Now, federal officials are also launching an investigation into the Dolly cargo ship. Fox 45's Keith Daniels begins our team coverage with what they hope to find. Keith?
Well, Mary, it's all about determining exactly what caused that massive cargo ship to crash into the bridge, causing it to collapse. Now, there's speculation that the ship was experiencing some electrical problems before the crash, and tonight, the federal investigation and hearing from the victims' attorneys.
They died while pursuing the American dream. But this was all preventable.
Amid an apparent FBI investigation of the Key Bridge collapse, attorneys for two of the victims who died in the incident and one of the survivors, Julio Cervantes Suarez, are speaking out. Suarez, one of those 8 construction workers who attorneys say were on break, sitting in their vehicles when, without warning of the ship's impact, plunged into the cold waters of the Patapsco River. His attorney on how Suarez escaped death.
He survived because his window was manual. He was able to roll down the window and escape. And then he was able to hang on to some drifting steel and survive.
The attorneys announcing they are conducting their own investigation into the Dolly collision. Meanwhile, federal investigators caught on video amid the FBI probe. Early Monday morning, our cameras rolling as federal agents boarded the Dolly, an FBI spokesperson confirming they were on board the ship conducting court-authorized law enforcement activity. Maryland Congressman Glenn Ivey is a former state's attorney and federal prosecutor with what that activity could mean.
It's hard to know for sure what exactly is going on, but they did announce that a criminal investigation has begun and they are, executing a search warrant. So there's a judge somewhere that thought there was probable cause to believe a criminal act may have been committed.
In the meantime, Mayor Brandon Scott announcing the city has also hired attorneys to pursue legal action related to the Dolly and bridge collapse.
It's my responsibility to the residents of Baltimore, to those impacted businesses, to those impacted families, most importantly, to do everything in our power to bring every single piece of information out and every single resource, anything that we can do to help Baltimore recover from that tragedy.
Grace Ocean has temporarily lost a ship. Baltimore has temporarily lost a bridge. But 6 families have permanently lost fathers, uncles, brothers, irreplaceable loved ones.
Well, Suarez's attorney says he planned to speak publicly, but for now, he's physically, mentally, and emotionally unable to do so. That's understandable. We're live tonight. Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.